Hey everyone, I'm glad that you tuned in today. As you can see, we will have a look at Beefy Finance, a multi-chain yield optimizer. While I was making this video, I noticed that I'm actually staking on BabySwap. So in this video, I will briefly show you Beefy Finance and after how to add liquidity on BabySwap. Let's start with Beefy Finance. If you're invested in different blockchains, I recommend checking out Beefy Finance because here you can find staking pools on many different blockchains, for example Binance, Avalanche or Polygon. You probably know by now that I really like Binance, so I'm going to focus on the BNB-USDT liquidity pool. Here we got the pool and the APY has been fluctuating in the last week, but on average it stayed around 30%, maybe a little less. What I like about Beefy Finance is that they give you a risk score. In our case it's a 9.4, which is a very good score and you're not taking on that much risk. You see the bullet points on how they got to this score, for example high market cap, lower volatility asset. Let's continue by adding liquidity, therefore we will be directed to BabySwap and the first thing we have to do is connect our wallet. I use MetaMask. Now I have 500 USDT and $500 worth of BNB and I would like to get LP tokens for it. Let me approve it quickly and confirm it again, and now we have a little under 20 LP tokens. The next step is that we have to stake those LP tokens on the farms and approve the contract. Of course we're going to stake all of our tokens, confirm the transaction in MetaMask, and that's all we have to do. I've waited around 20 hours and in this time we have earned 4 baby tokens, that equals to 75 cents. Or probably $1 per day if we sell the baby tokens immediately. But I'm gonna keep them for a while, hoping that the price appreciates. When I checked BabySwap on CoinMarketCap, I was a little surprised that they only have $1 million in trading volume per day. I was hoping for a little bit more, but maybe they have room to grow. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Maybe you know another staking pool with high rewards. Thanks for staying until the end of the video and see you next time.